Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that once during the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam there was a solar eclipse. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam began to pray, standing for a long time in prayer. Then he performed a lengthy bowing ruku and a lengthy prostration sujood. Before going into prostration, he raised his head after the bowing and again stood for a lengthy prayer, although shorter than the first standing. Then he performed another bowing and a lengthy prostration, shorter than the first bowing. After completing the prostration, he stood up for the second unit, rak'ah, of prayer and repeated what he had done in the first unit, with the standing being longer than the first unit and the bowing being longer than the second unit. After completing the prayer, the solar eclipse ended, and the Prophet ﷺ said, "The sun and the moon are two signs among the signs of Allah. They do not eclipse because of someone's death or life. So when you see them, hasten to pray." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 24228.